In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Excel or CSV file to your Wix site. This process will help you efficiently manage your data within your website and streamline your content updates. So, let's dive in and take it step by step. First, you'll want to access the Content Management System, or CMS, within your Wix site. To do this, head over to your site's dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Content Manager. It's your go-to place for managing all the dynamic content that your website will display. By centralizing your data in the CMS, you can efficiently organize and update information without having to manually change each page. Next up, you'll need to choose a collection to work with. Collections are basically like databases where all your content is stored. If you already have an existing collection that you'd like to use, simply select it. However, if your existing collections don't quite fit your needs, don't worry. You can easily create a new one that perfectly suits your desired setup for your imported data. Now, it's time to import your data. This is a key step because importing allows your data to seamlessly mesh with the structure of your website. Once you've chosen the right collection, locate the More Actions icon. It looks like 3 dots located right next to your collection name. Give it a click. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Import Items to Collection. This option will open up a pathway to bring your data from an external file directly into your collection. For the file itself, you'll need to upload it now. Click on Choose a File, and this will prompt you to select your file from your device. You should navigate to where your CSV file is saved. If you're more comfortable working in Excel, you can save your spreadsheet as a CSV file, as that format works best for this type of import. Once you have selected your file, double-check that it includes a header row. This row should have the column names that correspond to the fields you have in your Wix collection. The more closely your headers match, the smoother the import process will be. So take a moment to review them. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated your Excel or CSV file into your Wix website's CMS. By following these steps, you can maintain a dynamic website, manage updates efficiently, and ensure your data displays accurately. Feel free to revisit this process anytime you need to refresh your content. Thanks for watching, and happy website building.